Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So, in the previous statics video, we already learned about some these concepts in the theoretical. So, in this, I will show you with the examples like what is the concept of descriptive statics. So, descriptive statics is defined as it consists of organizing and summarizing data. So, what is data? We are already discussed about the data. What is measure of central tendency? Measure of central tendency are used to describe the center of a set of data. So we have there are different three different ways like mean, mode, and median. So first we are just taking the example of mean. So what is mean? So mean you can see with the definition. The mean is the arithmetic average of set of numbers. It is calculated by adding up all of the numbers in a set and dividing by the number of values. So what the theory is say, so you can see I am just giving you example. So you can see we have data like here I am just giving you example like we have 2 uh, 3 4 5 6. So we have five values, so we are adding these five values and divide with 5. So the addition of these five values like 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 upon we are dividing with 5. So what is the value of this? So the addition of these value like 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. So 20 divided 5 is equal to we have 4. So the mean of these five values is 4. You can see we have five odd values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have odd values. So in the continuous form we have middle value is always mean. So you can see 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So in this we have the mean value is 5.4. So we are just taking this example. So you can see we have 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. We have 5, 10, 17, and 17 plus 9 is 26. 26 divided by we have 5 values. So you can see we are divided this. So we have 5, 5 are 25 and zero point 0.2. So 5.2 is our mean value. So you can see our mean values like you can see 5.2. Therefore, the mean of the set is 5.2. So clear. We are taking some even values. So delete this all. So I am taking the example of even values like 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. So you can see we have 5, 4, 3, 2. So we have 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 4 is 14. So the sum of these values is 14 divided by 4. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 14. So divided 3 point, we have just remaining 3.50 is our mean value. Okay, so our mean is to be clear. So in the next we have so in our video we are just clearing the concept of mean, mode, median. So our next topic is median. So the definition of median is the median is the middle value in a set of data. To calculate the median, we first need to put the values in order. If there is an even odd number of values, then the median is the average of the two middle values. For example, we have the formula. So we have following set of data. So we are taking this example of data, and the median would be 5. Why 5? Because we have odd number of data. So the average value is we are just shuffle this in the order in the form of order. So you can see 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is in the ascending order. So our median value is to be 5 because our data is in odd form. So the average value or the middle value is to be our mean value. Okay. If we had an even number of values, for example 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So in this case we have even values, so we are just adding two middle values and divided by 2 is our the sorry, median. So we are just taking the first examples. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So you can see our data is already in the ascending order. If we have data like 3, 2, 7, 5, 9. So first we are just change in the ascending order. So our data like 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. and then we check these values are in order, sorry, odd form. So you can see our five values, we have five values, so our middle value is this, so our median is this. So clear, the concept of odd value in the median, so our median is to be middle value. Let's take example for the even value. So we are taking this example 2 3 5 7 9 11. So first we are just writing this in unordered form, like descending, and any other forms like 3 2 7 5 9 11. So we not be able to find our median, then for that we are just make this data in the ascending. So 2 3 5 7 9 11. So you can see our values is in the even form. You can see we have v 1 2 3 4 5 6 values. So our a mid value is not decided, so we are just taking these two values because these are our two mid values, and sum these two values, like 5 plus 7 we have 12. So we are divided with 2. So our answer is to be 6. You can see 7 plus 5 is 12, and after divide sum this, we are dividing with 2. So our answer is to be 6. So clear. We are taking another example for the even values, like I just taking example like 7 5 4 9 uh, 11 2. So first we are just making in the ascending order. So ascending orders, we are just like 4 5 7. First is to be 2, and our next value is 9, and last value is 11. We have six values, means these are our, all are even. So we are just taking these two middle values. So our answer is to 5 plus 7 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So our median value is of the these even values, like, so our median is to be 6. So our concept of mode is saying the mode in the is the value that appears most frequently in a set of data. It is possible for a set of data to have multiple modes, bimodal or multimodal. For example, if we have the following set of data, in this data we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. The mode would be 5. Why 5? We are just taking this example first. So our data is like we have data 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. So in this data we can see 2 is not repeated, 3 is not repeated, 5 is to be repeated with two times, like 5 and 5 is to be 2, and the 7 is to be one time, this one time, but this is to be two time, and this one is a one time. So our two time values are as considered as mode. So our mode is to be 5. So our concept of mode is to be clear. We have data like 2 3 5 7 9. So in this case, you can see if there are no values that repeat, then there is no mode. So in this data we don't have any mode value, so in this case, no mode. We are taking another example for multi-mode. So 2 3 5 7 9 5 3 2. So in this case we have 2 is to be 2 times, 3 is to be 2 times, 5 is to be 2 times, 7 is 1 time, 9 is 1 time. So one modes is to be 2 3 and 5. Clear. The concept of mode is to be also clear. So in the next video we are just clearing the concept of measure of dispersion. So thank you. In the next video we are learning that